Hello, everyone. In this video, we will introduce multi-dimensional arrays. In the preceding sections, we used two-dimensional. So now you can generalize it to 3-dimension, 4-dimension, and go any number of dimensions. So let's look at 3-dimension here. You have 3 brackets. So 2-dimensional, 2 brackets, 1-dimension, 1 bracket. So there's 3 brackets. So you have 3 indices. So this is how you create a 3-dimensional array with this 6, 5, 2. Now here we have the scores. How do you interpret the scores? This is what we have for this 3-dimensional. The first one is which student. And the second indicating which exam. And the last one indicating within the exam. So there's 2 parts in the exam, multiple choice or essay score. This is what we have now. That is how you interpret this scores. So we're gonna put the scores right here. So this is a 2-dimensional, it's for 1 student. And for 1 student, you have 5 exams. Now this is 1-dimensional. Means there's this is 1 exam. Within the 1 exam, you have 2 parts, the multiple choice part and the essay part. Now, this is the multidimensional array example. Let's use a case study to see how this is used here. We're going to have a daily temperature and humidity. So now we're going to have multiple days. So this is a day 1. So this is the day 10. So this is the hour. And this is the temperature and the humidity. So now let's define this data is this 3 indices, I, J, K. So the first one indicating which day. So let's see, we have total maybe 10 days. Okay, just for example. All right, so the day 1, day 2 to day 10. So that index should be 0 to 9, reflecting this 10 days. For every day, we have 24 hours. So that's going to be the index from 0 to 23. And then for each hour, we record the temperature and the humidity. So this is the indicating it's a temperature or humidity is 2 values, 0, bracket 0, and bracket 1. So this is what we have now. So let's look at this. If we have data bracket 0, bracket 0, bracket 0, that means the first day and the first hour and the temperature. So that's the data. So here, data 9, 23, 1 means the days is day 10 and hours 24. And this is for the 1 is for humidity. So we're gonna write this program here is to have this number of days is 10, number of hours is 24. And this is the data is the 3-dimensional, the number of days, number of hours, and then this is the 2 is for the temperature and humidity. So we're going to prompt the user and to enter this. So this is day, hour, and temperature and humidity. So we're going to store this in the here for day -1. So here's day 1 is the index 0. So day -1 and hour -1. And this is 0 is temperature and this is 1 is the humidity. So now we're going to get the average. So to obtain the average, and this is the number of days. And now for the every day, and we get this get the daily temperature total. So add all this and for this into this daily temperature total. And this is daily humidity total. So that is data brackets I, brackets J, and brackets 1. So that's for the humidity. And now we can get the average is the daily temperature total divided by number of hours. So that's 24 hours. So that is all for this. Last, this is the case study on guessing birthday. We can simplify the code. We already have this in chapter 4. This is what we have. We have a very long code. So this is everything. So look, you see this is the 87 lines. So we can simplify it by using a three-dimensional array. So we're going to have this, all the dates, 5 sets of dates. And so this is for each set. So this is what you have. This is the two-dimensional. And then this is what for each two-dimensional. So you have all these rows here. And now we here writing this code and to display this is your birthday in this set I. So there's 5 sets. So I0 here is for the set 1. All right, so now what you have to do here is to print this from this the first set. It's a dates, brackets, I, brackets, J. So this is the K. You're gonna print this K right here. The K is this, is the K. So this is the, there's 4 numbers each line here. So you're gonna print this. Now, this is what you're gonna print here for 1 is your birthday in the set. So you print the set 1 and then prompt the user to enter the answer and 0, no, and 1 for yes. And now here, if it's a yes, you're gonna add the first value here, corresponding value. So this is one is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. So add this into day. So this is the day is initially is 0. After all this is done, you answer all the 5 questions and you can have this, your birthday is day. So it simplifies this code. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you on the next video.